Yo, it's time for we're just gonna have fun. Honestly, we're just gonna keep it light. It's a vibe. My name is Made from the State. Because last week you did it. But you know the joke, I don't bet someone. J. Free State, take it sebake, Mumatuna antibante, Tomafua tutelante, what's up, Kelly? Mobo, the life really ain't sweet, Mobo Pilante, the white looking like a sheep, Wole Ditambe, 5 stars, more sleep, Lomedi Tanke, Lematomi Wambaka, the mama, Lemasuri and Fat, Botan Kelly. Kama koko bang hood at the Haleke, Lema Hoton and Tot, Kabutake. Bubbles, yellow, I kiss smile, I kid nice living. In high school, Nicky shine, prize EV. I tell you, can sign it, and I might give it. Anything under a 9 would be my chagrin. Hold on, ain't nothing they could do with me. Niggas better off drafting than you legit. Then blindly ever jump up in the booth with me. What the fuck? Cause your mother should've told you, usually you cross God, that's a crucifix. The truth is this, you flaws need the truth to fix it truthfully. The real want the truth for me, and real recognize who you gotta prove to me. Kapo Joan Kelly, me hang out and ye can't take you one second. Obe chama, temper man, keep on time chele. Baby, time chele. Bitch, I think I'm your shit. Who you know can move with me. Baby steps might need bigger shoes to fit. When you think a rap better, fuck challenges. Whoever you bring the rap better. Cause the truth gon' hurt. Go by feature, check my Insta. They immediately switch up and realize whatever they plan to do won't work. Went from y'all ready to now, bro. You go first. I probably won't even do no verse. You finna have it, they scared of the witty savage. Shorty with the nice Puma kicks and the pretty jacket, she walking. Got it wag where I asked if I fit the bracket. I was stuck between the two. Shorty really Jimmy jacked her up. Yeah, roses. You know what I mean? Alright. Roses, man. Okay, Roses.